What's up, guys? Today is Saturday. It's like not real early. It's like 5. Um, we're going to East Bend in North Carolina for a day race. We'll get home around like 12. The loud noise is the fan. I'm trying to dry my boots before we go. So today's gonna be pretty cool. I've gotten like I haven't gotten a lot of likes, but I've gotten a bunch of views on my moto vlogs and stuff, so I'm just gonna keep on making them because I like making them too. So enjoy, and when this video gets up, about an hour after this video, and if you're watching, go check my Instagram, and there's a dirt bike edit on there. My Instagram is durkey.turkey55. Hey guys, have a good day. Here's a track. Real groomed, it's real deep. It's all clay. It's gonna be a good day of racing. We got Colton here. We got my sister Peyton. She doesn't come to much of my races, so what's up? Hey. So, that's gonna be new. And this stuff's like sticky. Where the track is, it's gonna be a good day of racing. in the race. I don't know what place I got. I'll look. I flew into a huge mud hole, and this happened. I would put all the pictures in the video and stuff. It was like really good way to end the race, kind of. I mean, I got a second for like I actually know, and I got something else. So, I'll let you all know, and I'll get the ride home, and we're going to Waffle House, and I cleaned up. So, yeah.
Here you go.
It's the next day. I'm sorry I fell asleep. It was late, and I was really tired. I got second and fourth. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.